let's see how we can use Laravel Boost and expose its MCP as an HTTP MCP, so you can use it in any automations you want, even in production. Firstly, we need to install it. Laravel Boost is connected and it has quite a few available tools. Let's ask, for example, what is my config for the database? It tries to use Laravel Boost for that. Okay, you got the idea. Now, how do we expose it as a server? Let's go back into our AI file. We create a new server, but now we need a class that would extend their boost. So I'll go ahead here and create a new MCP folder and the class boost HTTP server. This will extend boost. Okay. And use it here. Let's call this one logs. Okay, the first test is good. We have access to it. Let's change the description. Oh, I believe it. Yes. Okay. Let's try to list the tools. Okay, they are available over here. Now the problem, I believe, will be to call a tool. So let's try to do that. Process to fail because it tries to use PHP FPM, but we need to use PHP CLI. And if you go inside, there is an executor action. Execute ToolExecutor, this one. And if you scroll down over here, it uses PHP binary. I, in fact, opened a pull request over here, but there is no answer just yet. So what this does, basically, it tries to add a config in the boost file. There is even no boost file. Let me create a config file called boost. And I would like to expose the PHP binary out of here. Now, since they didn't match the PR, we have to deal with it. This tool is used somewhere here, so it uses dependency injection. Well, if we will create a tool that extends this one and use the config, it should work. But we simply have to bind it in the service provider. Let's go ahead and make it. Dir and let's copy this. However, I'm using the boost PHP binary. And in my case, we should link it to your CLI binary. In my case, it's this one. Now we go into the app service provider and bind it. We need to bind the ToolExecutor class with the custom ToolExecutor. Not sure if this one will work like this, but let's try. Yeah, and it worked. It will bind this one, and while building the command, it will use this PHP from the CLI. To be honest, I don't want to expose all these tools in the HTTP. So what I would suggest is to go and grab this config. Actually, we don't even need this config. What we need is we need to exclude from the Boost. Config Boost. Make this key MCP tools exclude. Okay, and let's say I want to exclude, for example, the database schema. I find it over there and exclude it. Also report feedback. I don't need this in HTTP. So now I don't have them, as well as database query. I think I can disable from production. That's it. But now you still have stuff like read logs, which is very, very handy in production. You can use it like that. You get the latest log, and you can use this again if you expose it as a tunnel. It's exposed over here. Basically include code. MCP, demo MCP. Yeah, it's connected. View tools. It has these tools. Okay, but yeah, I need to create it like that. So you go and type load MCP add transport HTTP local logs and the URL. And now load MCP will have local logs. Let's wait for it to connect. It's connected, and the list of tools are exactly those from Boost. Thanks for watching and good luck.